In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice-to-text or dictation in Salesforce. This process can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing you to enter data more quickly and efficiently using your voice. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up and start using it immediately. First, we're going to begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store by typing in chromewebstore.google.com. Once you've reached the site, you'll want to search for a voice-to-text application that fits your needs. Popular options include Voicey or VoiceIn. These browser extensions are designed to seamlessly integrate voice-to-text functionality into various applications, including Salesforce. After you've made your selection, click on the Add to Chrome button. This step allows you to download the extension to your browser, making it one step closer to being operational. When prompted, you'll see an option labeled Add Extension. Go ahead and click on it. This action installs the chosen extension and makes the voice-to-text capability available in your browser. You'll need to follow any on-screen prompts that appear next. These will guide you through the setup process, which might include granting necessary permissions for the extension to access your microphone and any other functions required to operate effectively. Next, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, choose the record you'd like to work with. This could be a case, task, or notes, anything that has a text field where you might usually type information. Now navigate to a text field within your selected record. This is where the magic happens. Click into the text field to activate it. With the voice-to-text extension now integrated, you'll be ready to use your voice instead of your keyboard. Engage the app by simply clicking on its icon, which will usually appear somewhere in your browser toolbar after installation. Once activated, begin speaking your input clearly and at a steady pace. The extension works by listening to your voice and instantaneously converting your speech into text directly within the Salesforce field. This is especially useful for lengthy notes or comments where typing would traditionally take much longer. Finally, take a moment to review the text that has appeared in your Salesforce record. It's a good practice to check for any errors or misinterpretations that the app might have made in the conversion process. When you're satisfied with what you see, go ahead and save the record. And there you have it, a seamless entry of information using voice-to-text in Salesforce. You've now unlocked a powerful tool to enhance your workflow. With a bit of practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to spend more time analyzing data rather than entering it. Thanks for watching, and happy dictating.